Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain you some of these issues which you can solve by yourself. If your boiler is ever shows error 118 like E118, then your boiler is not working, so you cannot get hot water. You can solve yourself. Now you can check the indicator is not in that green section. It should be in there, and because of that this error message is showing. I will explain you how to fix this one. When it back to this normal green, then that error E118 will be fixed. This is our actual cylinder, and you can find in your cylinder some point like this and one like this. So what you'll do, you'll just open this one, then open this one. Now the pressure is increased. Just close. See that indicator is in that green. This is fixed now.